Yes, I know it sucks that summer's gone, but one thing that will help you cope is the taste of apple crisp. Pair that with homemade whipped cream. You can turn this into something amazing. It's important to choose a good baking apple such as Granny Smith, Honeycrisp, or Macintosh. I like to use a blend of green and red apples. Peel and slice enough apples to cover the bottom of an 8x8 baking dish with a thick layer, about 4 cups sliced apples. I like to slice off the ends and cut them into equal pieces. Then I cut off the remaining fruit close to the core like this. Using an apple slicer like this is often very wasteful, so I like to cut them by hand instead. In a bowl, mix brown sugar, flour, oats, well-softened butter, cinnamon, nutmeg, and salt. Bring it together nicely to form a crumbly, beautiful topping. Feel free to use your hands to mix. It comes together a lot quicker that way. Sprinkle the mixture evenly over the apples and get it in the oven so you can eat it. Bake at 375 for 25 to 35 minutes until the apples are soft but not mushy. I recommend you serve it up with my fresh maple whipped cream. Simply whip 1 cup of ice cold heavy cream with 2 ounces or a 1/4 cup of maple syrup until stiff peaks form. It's recipes like this that'll allow you to actually enjoy the onset of cooler weather. And there we have beautiful apple crisp with homemade maple whipped cream. Thank you for joining me. Tune in next time and I'll teach you how to make something else.
Report.